Why?
Hey, that's my line. Alright, I think that'll do it. Oh. Welcome back, everyone, to another T-Bros Entertainment video. I'm back on Animal Crossing, and it turns out I have installed a new bathroom in my house. So I decided to take off the wedding room and add the bathroom upstairs. And, hopefully I get everything in place so that it can finally be usable. So, when Staryu gets here, I'll tell him all about my new bathroom.
Cubone.
Staryu, are you up there in the bathroom?
Yeah, your bathroom's flooded.
What? No. Well, I better get on up there. Oh, what happened here?
I was taking a shower and I think I forgot to turn off the faucet.
No, Doy. Are you behind this curtain? No! Put some clothes on, man!
I got in here to get changed and then your bathroom's all flooded.
Oh, well, put a towel on or something. I don't have all day. Jeez. So, whenever you're done, you let me know.
Okay, I'm done.
Already?
There.
So, you just decided to sneak in my house just to take a shower?
I think so.
No! Man, why?
Because I had to come over here.
Well, yeah, Doy, just coming over here to take a shower? Just sneaking into my house?
Apparently.
No! Well, and you had the bathtub running. Jeez. Oh, now my clothes are all wet. Well, better get changed up in here. Could you move? Thank you. Jeez. I cannot believe I just did that.
It's fine,
No, it's not fine. You flooded my new bathroom that I just put in, and now the floor is all wet. My clothes I wore all wet. Now I'm stuck in a towel. Well, better go lay down.
You're just gonna lay down there all naked and stuff.
No, why? Why must you say that about me?
Because, well, whatever. Might as well lay down too.
On your towel that you just got changed onto.
Yeah, might as well. Ooh, I'm sleepy.
Well, if you're that, you'd seriously fall asleep while you're showering.
Yep. Geez.
Well, I don't know what to do now. My clothes aren't dry yet, and the bathroom's all flooded. Better not keep that shower on too long.
Alright, fine. So, what's next?
What's next? Let's see, I have a great answer for that. We need to get this bathroom unflooded. See?
No.
No! Well, see if you can find any, hang on. You're like a bathroom cleaner, aren't you?
No.
Oh! See if you can find any utensils in that locker over there. I'm sure there are plenty of utensils to look for.
Alright. Now, let's see,
Well, you find anything?
let's see, Nope.
Are you kidding me? Well, I don't know how to clean bathrooms.
Neither do I. And besides, what's the point of cleaning the bathroom anyway?
Well, for one thing, how about just to make the bathroom look nice?
You know what? I need a nice, good bath.
Oh, are you kidding me?
You know what? Never mind. I just need to lay down again, that's all.
You're just gonna lay down there all naked, huh? Well, go ahead, be my guest. I just need a little stretcher right there.
It's me. I've come to watch your dreams. Yes, it's me. I've come to haunt your dreams.
God! I got you good.
Could you not wake me up like that? Oh, besides, what do I have to do anyway?
I don't know. You tell me. You know what? I'm gonna have to go downstairs and get my clothes. Alright, so you just stay here. Alright, so, where's my... I forgot. My fridge is in the kitchen. Oh, wait, office cabinet. You know what, let me get in my storage. Let's see, oh, right there, okay. Okay, so we got the yellow pants, yeah, I'm wearing the cast and the glasses. Where's my jacket and hat? I know I put it in here somewhere. Well, whatever. I'm getting later. Staryu! Staryu! Hey. Staryu! Where are you?
I'm in here.
What? Where?
In the locker. Get me out of here.
Are you sure? I don't see you in there. Are you kidding me?
Got you good.
Man, can you not do that to me again? Man, quit making scary faces all of a sudden. You know what I'm saying?
Why?
No. Fine, well, we'll have to get this place cleaned up another day. So, well, everyone, that'll be it for today's YouTube video. If you want to see more videos just like this, let me know and I'll get right to it. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss another video. And don't forget to share these videos with your friends as well, so you don't miss any ACNH action. And, Staryu, what are you doing? Oh, for crying out loud. And goodbye. Why'd you have to flood my basement?
I needed to take a shower, that's all.
Why?